Boat wakes are destroying your dock. Here's how to stop it. Fixed docks are great until they start loosening, shifting, or cracking from constant wave impact. If you're on a busy lake or waterway, this is a real problem. So let's break down the exact upgrades you can make to protect your dock long term. I'm a former engineer and teacher, and I help lake homeowners avoid expensive dock mistakes. I'm PJ, owner of Pennyvale Docks. Why wakes destroy docks? Over time, bolts loosen, wood splits, and structure shifts. If your dock is taking a beating from these wakes, these upgrades can easily add years to its lifespan and save you thousands in repairs. These are the main dock stress points. At the end corner is high lateral force and torsion. At the side connections, there is a concentrated force along the dock edge and fasteners. There is pile impact, a high horizontal force on pilings. Underdeck connections have shear and uplift stress on joists and brackets. It's not one big wave, it's thousands of small hits over time. Without cross bracing, every piling moves on its own. There is lateral sway from the wakes. More vibration makes the dock less stable, so the increased wear reduces the lifespan of the dock. Install cross bracing using pressure-treated lumber or galvanized steel. Now the pilings are tied together and the whole structure starts working together. The lateral movement is drastically reduced, making the dock have greater stability. Lower maintenance means longer dock life. Wake and wake forces are redirected into the structure, not into the motion. You should replace standard bolts with galvanized or stainless steel hardware. Add washers and backing plates. Tighten everything annually. Weak connections are where the docks fell first. Add angled boards or barriers on wake-facing side. That deflects the wave energy instead of absorbing it. A wave attenuator is a floating structure designed to reduce the height and energy of waves passing through or around it. It's positioned in the water between the source of wave energy, the open fetch of the lake, and the structure or area you're trying to protect. So to have a stronger dock with greater stability and a longer life, wrap the pilings with protective sleeves made of HDPE. This material resists impact, abrasion, and UV rays. Attach it to the pilings using marine-grade stainless steel fasteners. It's easy to install and built to last. Add additional pilings if spacing is too wide to increase stability and distribute the load. Consider deeper anchoring if movement exists. So slight flex equals good. It's absorbing the energy. If it's too rigid, that means it will probably crack over time. Use proper spacing and materials. If your dock is taking a beating from wakes, these upgrades can easily add years to its lifespan and save you thousands in repairs. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and comment. We offer free downloads on our website, the dock inspection checklist, and blogs based on the videos we've made. Next videos coming up are why summer storms hit northern lakes differently and catch people off guard, and what summer storms do to your lake and why it gets dangerous fast, and that's to the southern lakes. See you at the next video.